Hey everybody, today we have some temporary tattoo stickers, real pretty flowers, and some basic cheap coasters that I got from Dollar Tree. Want to make something fun with them? Let's do it! So, this is a really cool idea for someone that's, let's say, heading back to school. Say you're going to be going back to college and you want something fun and cute for your dorm or your apartment that you're going to be sharing with your friends. This is going to be something really cool that's going to work for that. The temporary tattoos are really simple to use. All you have to do is peel off the front part of it, the clear part, and then place it where you want it on the coaster. Get some water and dab it in. These can be a little tricky sometimes, so it pays to peel slowly and reapply some water where you see it's still sticking. This happens. Just take your time and be patient. And there you have it. Our first beautiful floral coaster. Let's get the other three done. That's it. Some beautiful floral coasters. Super easy, very affordable, and a great thing to add to your dorm or to an apartment you're moving in, or whatever works for you. These are awesome, and I would actually spray them with some clear acrylic spray just to seal them off, keep them in tip-top shape.